released something that was pretty rare, and people are really, following it. But, they've released it back into, you guessed it, in the diamond shop. And, if you can guess, it's right behind me. Yes, the nature archways have come back to Canada in the diamond shop. So there's 4 versions of it. This nice nature waterfall version. This wintry version. This kind of Coral Canyons version with cacti and stuff. And then the last one is this really cool phantom-y one. Sorry about the music, it always messes up while I'm recording. But I'll just exit out like I always do. I try, but it never really works. So, if you go to your world map, of course, and you go to the diamond shop, you will see that, oops, that's close. For 3 diamonds, for this week, you can get your very own nature archway. Winter, kind of summery, Coral Canyons, and a phantom-y one. So get your own today for 3 diamonds. Yeah, so nature archways are back. Just wanted to say that first. But for the rest of this video, I'm going to be doing trade attempts on my storage account. I'm just going to put some items on trade and see what happens. I'm going to be putting on trade a tan Warren blanket, a long purple spiked wristband, a long orange spiked collar, and a short orange spiked wristband. Oh yeah, and a rare Warren blanket. So let's get into Alden, and then we'll begin. Alright, anyways, guys, as you can see, sorry I didn't get too many trades, but I did my best. So, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel today for more videos. I will see you on my next video. Bye!